Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do one cue card practice, and the cue card is for speaking in this video is describing a enjoyable journey by public transport. So there are multiple times I have taken public transport, but one time which I remember is while going to my hometown. There is one basically movement which I actually know, and it was around like by the train which I went to my hometown, and there I found out one person who is become my friend while going to basically to my hometown, and he is also from Uttarakhand. So we both interested in a one field, and we do have a lot of chit chat while moving towards our hometown, and that is the basically enjoyable thing which we done, and we got basically friend um, after that conversation, and we do have a same interest regarding like trading activities. So we kept talking about that, and it was just feel like the journey was around 6 to 9 hours, but while we are talking it feel like uh, we haven't basically traveled, and there is a lot of by going public transport it feel like a lot of cheaper. And so yeah, this was a time around summers when I visited to my hometown, and after that we become friend, and we both basically follow us, and we keep motivate us towards achieving our journey, so achieving our goals. So this was all about the cue card. I think I feel like I should need to basically work more on cue card, because always I feel like I do need to speak some random topics, but yeah, from the starting point, you should need to have a solid preparation. Otherwise, it is very difficult. So, yeah, because as you know, like we are a human being, we cannot able to basically create topic in a single span of time, right? Within 1 to 2 minutes. So we need content, and for that we need a solid vocabulary. Along with that, we do have a, a, a wide range of knowledge for speaking. So yeah, these all are part of speaking, and this all comes once you start speaking. So this is why I promote like multiple times that we should need to basically start from the beginning, and never feel like why we are doing it, right? These are all the things which we need to focus on. And so start your practicing by today onwards. You will find out within a week that you got the result, and you feel like you basically build the confidence, and after that that is what makes you difference from the rest who's over are having a lot of less confidence comparison to you. So on today's video, that is it. I just want to basically encourage people who want to basically speak. So bye bye. Have a good day.